Yeah.
Picture or
Video.
Alright.
Wait, tell him what you're doing.
Oh. My brother's window is there. I'm gonna go scare him because he doesn't know we're outside.
I'm just gonna fall.
No.
Fucking snow. I hate snow so much.
Now it's snowing.
Oh shit. My hand started shaking and the camera went crazy. Please don't do it at me.
Okay, this is attempt 2. Ew, you're right.
Okay. What the fuck? I thought you said he was in there.
Mwah. Sorry. You! We're taking a video. We weren't taking pictures. Stop! It's really cold.
Jessica's making a snow angel. Or about to. I'm down. Baby, are you down?
Okay, you ready?
Hope the snow fucking
1,
melts in the morning.
2.
Fall back, bitch. Ersh. That's like making a wall. The Berlin Wall.
Doing it! You don't have to get up.
Don't touch my hand.
Like an angel at all.
Oh, now I'm cold.
Oh, ew.
Cannot wait to leave New Jersey. One more year.
What else is fun to do?
I said play in snow. No, I did not say that. I went head first last time. Bitch, you're crazy. Oh my god, you're gonna have frostbite. We should go inside and have hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Sarah, you have dick on your mind way too much.
That was a good one. Let's go inside, please. Have hot chocolate and cake. Oh, I'm just cold. Say bye.